see.
What's it called?
It's round my hand. I'm not going to drop it off the side of the boat. Whee! Lots of waves. Yeah, I got loads of power. No, I don't know. No, it's on orange, so I doubt I have. Gosh, this boat's going pretty slow.
Yeah, and it's going fast.
What?
Are you over-dressed, are you?
Yeah, there is. I just didn't put them in. Oh, farmhouse. There.
Yeah, there's a hut on that
Little farmhouse there.
fjord, and they take the animals over there.
Oh yeah, I saw that earlier. Can't show you that one on the camera. There, the little farm.
Actually, how do you get up there? That's one thing. How do you actually get up
Seven
there?
Sisters, here she is.
Whoa, is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Whoa!
I'm not going to get the zoom on this because I've started recording.
Oh, yeah. Seven join up.
7 joint up. Start about there. Come down there. Get a bit closer when we go past.
Look at that little boat there.
A fishing peg. Here. Alright. Kill your beans, Elliot. Kill us all. Yeah, they do a bit of rock climbing.
How do they do?
Yeah, I don't know how they get to that farm. Farm's there on the side of a mountain, and they take the sheep to the other side, and we don't know how. Great. Well, I didn't know, right? I didn't know that it. Oh, whoa, that's cool. Well, I didn't know though that it was going to be this close. Otherwise, I wouldn't have woken up and I would have got it as we came. There we go. I tip it, but when I film it, it'll just go. Hey, we've just gone past it. The Seven Sisters waterfall. Wow, that is cool.
It's just a little retarded Clement.
Always bringing out the negatives. Oh, dip in. Is that enough? Sorry, I'm trying.
You want to get a very wet arm.
Yes, I know I'm getting a wet arm. There's a wet banister there. That's a. It is a banister. That's a big, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3,
Whoa.
4, 5, 6, 7. I think 8 cats.
I am.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yeah, but only they're separate waterfalls. They're separate waterfalls. Hey! We saw it, so you didn't have to. I've always wanted to see it. That's bigger than where I can see it. I feel sorry for the farmer who has to sit at the top.
He's running his hose pipe, so I'll get that
attentive, are you?
You're not very attentive, Nancy, actually.
You don't know what I learned in English. I have some pretty big words up my sleeve.
That's the wrong word. It's not the word you mean.
Oh, right.
You mean very observant.
Yeah, that's the word.
Attentive means that she doesn't look after your needs.
Well, she doesn't do that either.
That's not what you were supposed to say, young man.
It's what I wanted to say. That's what I meant to say.